Today is the day that I turn this entire place into a winter wonderland. So the tree is about to go up. Well, it already started going up. And I think I should put my hair in a ponytail. All right, that's better. I'm about to put on some Christmas music, get in the zone, the holiday spirit, and then start the decorating process. And let's go. Well, of course, phlox trees are messy, but this actually wasn't that bad. Not too bad, just gonna have to vacuum this up at the end, but it's more on me. She's fluffed. She also don't look focused at all. So the first thing we're starting with is the tree topper. Get that out the way so you don't knock ornaments down after. So I got these two accent trees. They're 4-foot phlox accent trees from Hobby Lobby. I got them because I needed some extra additions to complete this snowy forest that we got going on. So I thought that these phlox trees would be perfect. So I'm gonna put these two together and create like a little snowy section on this side of the wall, just so it's not so bare and empty, and then it kind of just flows nicely with the whole snowy winter wonderland look.